Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on how to clean this up, and now the gentleman asked, and I understand why, how I converted to black and white, because it just doesn't work the way you would normally think so. So we're going to click on the item, we're going to go to bitmap, we're going to go to resample, and it's already at 300, and that's good because it's a pretty big file, it's 12 inches. You could actually reduce it, but for this video I'm not. Go to bitmap and convert to bitmap, but I'm going to convert it to a grayscale because there's so many colors in here. If you do it black and white, you're going to get some halftone colors that aren't going to be worth a flip. So then go to trace bitmap. Yours is normally going to be under bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. I use clip art for almost everything. I think it works the best. Is processing. This is to Corel 2019, so it doesn't have a slide bar. It's got a progression number. You can go ahead and hit OK at any time and just wait for it to finish. It'll take just a second. You can always tell because you can't click on it. It's Corel's working on it. Should almost be done. And it's done. And then just move it out of the way. Let's get our original out of the way, and let's put this in the center of the page. Now, when it's traced, you can delete stuff. So we're going to go to Arrange, Group, and Ungroup. I don't particularly think we need this gray background. It's going to take away. Now, I've said in the previous video that you're going to have to change some things and clean up some things and delete these, and if you didn't see that video, you might want to look at that. But then just select it all and go right click, left click, and then you get a black and white look, kind of neat looking drawing. But then let's back up here and let's left click, right click, and nothing happens. Let me see, remember how I did this. Let's go to Arrange, combine it, and then try right clicking. I don't know if that's the look he wants. That might be too black, but you can play with it. There's a lot you can do with it. Let's go backwards. Let's put no fill again and put the outline. I actually think this might be the best look. And what you could also do, and it might work, is take the Smart Fill tool, on these interior lines, fill them in if you wanted to give you a different look. I don't know what these are, alleys or streets or whatever. And to be honest with you, I don't know how I did it before to make it look like he likes it. There we go. That'd be a good look right there. So you just have to do that a couple of times, maybe fill in the trees. I think the parking lot deal is going to be the best. Fill that in. It's got a lot to fill in, so it might take a little bit. But go around and hit the parking lot areas, and it looks like the buildings. These are numbers, so you'd have to clean them up, like I said in the first video. But that didn't look that bad if you did it to the whole map. And then I originally stated you're going to have to retype the parkway if you're going to put that on it. Let's try filling in that. Maybe it's a creek, riverbed, and give it a little bit of detail. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.